Hi, I'm Andy from Xline, and in today's video I'm going to introduce our 500 litre trailer system to you. So this is our 750 kg trailer. It's a single axle, fully galvanised frame. Comes with twin opening tailgates, also has an ABS hard lid to keep all your equipment protected. We've actually spec'd this particular system up to have a 500 litre X tank. It's got our auto fill and flush 4-stage reverse osmosis system. We've set the tank up for twin operators, and then we've also got our Real-X 12 volt electric reels on here. Both of them have got 100 metres of our 6mm capacity Xline hose. Both of the reels come with hose guides at the front, and that essentially allows you to use the trailer with the rear hatch open and also with the roof down. Another addition we've added to this trailer is 2 pole storage tubes. These will store your water-fed poles for you.